Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to create a blog page in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. Click on this website button below the website where you want to add a blog page. Now go to Pages, and next to Main Navigation, click on this plus icon and select blog from this list. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bainsexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Select your preferred design of your blog page from this list. Let's go with this one. Give your blog a name, for example, my blog, and hit the enter button on your keyboard. This is your blog page. To edit it, just click on this edit button from the top, and you can manage posts or edit section. You can edit the layout of your blog page from here. You can also edit the text content width or the vertical spacing. For the image, you can edit the image placement. Same thing with the image spacing, text alignment. There are many settings you can play with. You can also edit the color of your page or blog page. And after that, don't forget to click this save button to not lose your editing. Click on exit, and to edit the URL of your blog page, to turn it from my-blog to just blog, just go to the editing mode from here. Next to my blog, in this pages panel, click on this gear icon and go look for URL slug and edit it as you like. Don't forget to click on save again. And now let's check my new URL, or let's click on my blog, and this is my new URL. To edit your blog categories and tags, just click on this gear icon next to your blog page from the pages panel and go to advanced, and here you can manage categories and also tags. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.